little harmonica, a guitar, and because this is the first worldwide performance of the Homestuck COVID Blues, we'll rail some shades. I got the Homestuck COVID Blues. I've been in the house for 40 days. I've been cooped up and fed up. I can't count all the ways. If I ever get out of here, the hair I've got will turn gray. Back in January, things were looking so fine. 2020 was gonna be kick-ass, a year to cheer and unwind. A president, nothing to fear, it's just a little flu. Because of his ignorance, now the bill has come due. I've got the Homestuck COVID Blues. I'm bored and wasting away. I've got the Homestuck COVID Blues. I used to watch baseball. Now it's Netflix every day. Half my friends are out of work. The other half are working harder just to stay. It's like Groundhog Day, stuck home with your family every day. To kill this stinking virus, I drank some Clorox one day. I listened to the Orange Man in the White House, and this is what he had to say. I drank that lie because his big old lie, and then I up and died. Please remember me on election day, or you will hang your head and cry. I finally ditched the Homestuck COVID Blues, 6 feet under, boxed and buried away. Back at you.